Hey guys, Monster50 here, coming with my second unboxing of the day for you guys. Second CD, this time of Professor Green, which is in the wrap unfortunately, so I'm gonna have to cut that open. But yeah, so I've heard all this album, and if I was to rate it, I'll give it like a 7 probably, because I mean, Professor Green is good and he can flow and everything. It's just I don't really like, and like some of his lyrics, I mean, some of them don't really, but I just don't really like his voice, to be honest. I think his voice isn't suited to rap. That's fine. Back. Sign. There's the other side in case you want it. So I just have to open it now. Give a knife to open it, I mean. Oh yeah, by the way, it says it's got that Read All About It song on it. To be honest, I think that's one of the worst songs on the album, because it's way too mainstream in my opinion, but whatever. DPMO is probably my favourite. There's a disc, it's pretty plain. Whatever. There's the back. 1 second. Let's get the booklet out. Yeah, it's the front. First page, no lyrics? No, don't have lyrics. Some pictures. Fine line. And that's it. So yeah guys, very quick unboxing of Professor Green's At Your Inconvenience. So that's pretty much it. It's Monster50 signing out.